Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jesse, the Couch Movie Critic, and once again we are back in the kitchen. And today we're doing a quick unboxing of the Spigen or Spigen, depending where you're from, pronunciation, case for the new Galaxy S23 Ultra. It is the Ultra Hybrid 01 case, designed specifically, as I said, for the S23 Ultra. I've been using this brand for quite a while, going back to the Galaxy 6 or 5 or 6, I forget which one it was that I first got it with. They were really cheap back in the day and really great cases, for the price. And they've gotten a little pricier as time's progressed, but the quality has improved too, and they haven't let me down. So previously for my S23 Ultra, I had the Cryo Armor case, which was great, but after a year it actually separated where the hardback cooling feature and the rubber TPU case around the edges meet when I went to clean it. So I decided this time I'm going to go back to something a little bit more traditional. And this one is supposed to be very cool because it's supposed to have a design on the back of it that kind of emulates the inside of the phone. Now, I've looked at it for the iPhone, I've looked at it for some of the other phones. It's not too dissimilar, each and every one. I honestly don't think it's the true insides of the S23 Ultra, but I thought it was cool, and it would be a nice touch, and it's semi-transparent, so you get to see the bespoke blue of the sky blue S23 Ultra I got. So I want to share with you guys the unboxing real quick. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at it. Oh, as always, before we get started, don't forget, guys, to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Feel free to reach out to me, via the socials, the YouTube app itself, or even through patreon.com/Jesse the Couch Movie Critic. Let's get to it. Right, here we go on the front. Got the Spigen logo. It kind of reminds me of the old Qualcomm logo from back in the day. Shows how old I am. Something you want. It's been their slogan forever and a day. At first it seems like buying in English, but it is actually true. It's a case. It is something that you want to have on your phone. It's got the image here. It is specifically for the Samsung Galaxy, for Galaxy S23 Ultra Hybrid case. Down here, it's got the model number on the bottom and then the 01 reference, made in South Korea. Then the website and their info there as well. On the back, it's just got all the basic, uses, customs, warranties, that kind of thing. And so on, made from 90% recycled. Spigen logo there. Over here, we've got some additional stuff, only valid for Spain. Information there. So again, not in Spain. So if you are, there it is. Pause the video. Let's go ahead here and let's get this guy out. So unboxing these things is pretty simple. Slides right out. It's made for it. Go ahead and pull out here. There is nothing else that comes in these ever anymore. It used to be like paperwork and adverts for other products. They don't do it anymore. Let's go ahead and slide this bad boy out. And there it is. It's got an insert on the inside, and I guess here, to keep it clean in transit, which I think is kind of cool because the idea is keeping it spotless and not letting it scratch. And there's another tab here with an insert cover here to protect it as well. But as you can see, what I was mentioning earlier, that it's semi-transparent, and it gives the look of the internals of a phone. Now, it's not perfect. It is, I'm sure it is not the exact insides of my specific phone, but it is pretty cool that it gives that look of a motherboard. And then the sides are semi-transparent. It does have the breathing area, which most of the Spigen cases has there on the buttons. And it's got all the right cutouts. What does that say there? Air cushion technology, because it's got the little air pockets like most cases do nowadays to prevent it from getting damaged, which is nice. But there it is. Part and parcel, read the reviews. Nobody really complained about yellowing that you get with some of the transparent cases. So I'm hoping it stays nice. And really, this is just one of two cases. I got one that's a little heavier grade. This is more my kind of, quote unquote, not saying going out case, but my flashier case. So I want to give it a try. I'm a little concerned about how slick the sides are. Some of the reviews said that it could be a little slippery. But, I'm going to give them the benefit of the doubt. The rest of their cases have been awesome. I got some other cases coming too, just in case. Not as nice as this, but a little bit more functional. But, that's pretty much everything, guys. That's everything that comes inside of the Ultra Hybrid case. The 01 designed specifically for the S23 Ultra by Spigen. It is the $18.99 right now on Amazon. Very cool case. If you're looking for something functional, maybe not too heavy duty. I don't recommend this if you work outside. This would be the phone case for you, but for going out, nice case, something simple. It's a nice looking case. It really is. But that's everything, guys. As always, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Feel free to reach out to me in the socials as well as on patreon.com/Jesse the Couch Movie Critic. As always, guys, thanks and have a great night.